Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add custom domain in Replit. So first, deploy your app in Replit. Make sure that your project is deployed using the Replit's deployment feature. Then go to your project and open the Deployments tab. After you open the Deployments tab, you'll have to simply click on Continue, and after you open your Deployments tab, you'll have to add your custom domain in Replit. So enter your domain or subdomain, example yourdomain.com, in the custom domain section that you will see just right here. After you enter that, Replit will show you two DNS records, a record and txt record. Configure the DNS records at your registrar. So log into your domain registrar such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any domain registrar that you have. After you do this, go to the DNS management panel for your selected domain. Then add the DNS records exactly as shown in Replit, like a record, txt record, and if configuring for www, repeat for that subdomain, and verify and go live. So wait for the DNS propagation. It can be instant or up to 48 hours. Return to Replit and click the link or verify. Once verified, your Replit app will load via your custom domain with full SSL enabled. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.